Today, we're going to find a new way to add paint to our paper. But first, we have to write our name and the day of the week. Today, we're going to get to travel to different tables and try different tools to paint our paper. So let's dive on in. We're going to start by using our paint scrapers. You can pick any one up from your blue tray. You hold it at the handle, and then you're going to press the textured side into your paint and just press it. Don't scoop. Don't forget to turn your paper over, and we're going to put it on its side and pull it across. You can even flip it over to get the paint from both sides. You're smudging and smearing that paint, scraping it across the table. Get a little more paint and try again. I'm pulling it. You can make it wave as you pull it across. Make sure to get the paint off of both sides and keep going until I tell you to stop. You can scrape yours in numerous different directions, but just make sure not to scoop that paint. I can go side to side, I can go up and down, I can go wavy, I can go on top of lines I've already gone on top of. Just keep smudging and smearing that paint. When I let you know it's time to stop, you're going to place your scraper back in the container and stand behind your pushed-in stool. Next up, we have these container stamps. And what you do is on the open part, you're going to press into the paint. Now this one we're not scraping. It's like a stamp and we press, press, press. And you're going to keep pressing in different spaces until there is no more paint on your stamp. I'm going all over my paper. There's also another kind you might have at your table. This is a spindle, and you do the same thing. You press and you press it across your paper. Whichever one you have, just keep pressing until there is no more paint on that stamper. Don't smudge and smear that paint all over the plate though. There won't be enough paint for your paper then. Our last station we're gonna do today is bubble wrap. You can feel one side has the bubbles on it and the other side is smooth. But don't smush and smash those bubbles because we are gonna paint the bubbles. You just need a tiny little touch, and I'm going to paint right on top of those bubbles. I shouldn't hear any of them popping because we wanna see the texture they can create. Once you've painted, put your brush down, turn your bubble wrap over, and lightly press and massage it onto your paper. Once you're not getting any more color, you can add a little bit more paint and keep pressing again. When I say it's time to stop, your brushes will go down and so will your bubble wrap.